Okay, sorry for the wet hair, but I'm going to be doing my daily makeup. I just did this Mary Kay Liquid Luminator, and it's like a bronzer, so you go like this, and you spread it around your cheekbones and stuff. And then I use this highlighter for under my eye, and I rub it. And then I do my eyeliner. I have many different eyeliners. I have purple from Mary Kay, black from LA Colors, brown from Maybelline, blue from Mary Kay, and green from Mary Kay. I'm going to be using purple. I don't do it on my waterline, I do it under my waterline. Let me check in my mirror. Okay. Then I have many mascaras. My Mega Volume mascara, my Skyrise Lincoln Lane mascara, and my Mary Kay Lash Lincoln Lane mascara. I'm going to be using the NYC. I'm gonna check in my mirror. It's hard to do it on this iPod. Okay. Then I have many lip glosses that I'll show you. I cannot hold them. Okay. Those were my iPods. I mean, not iPods. Lip glosses. I'm going to be wearing Beauty Rush lip gloss by Victoria's Secret Honeydew. I have to look in my mirror when I do this stuff, so sorry. And then I do my Justin Bieber perfume. And I pick out an eyeshadow from behind, or I do my e.l.f. colors. And it's old, but there's that. I'm going to be doing purple. I'm going to look in the mirror when I do this, and then I'll show you the after. Here's the after look. Sometimes I use this to unshine your nose. Powder. Sometimes I put on blemishes. That's my daily makeup.